Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Today I'm introducing you to the Consiglio's Professional Torkio Brass Die Extruder. This extruder is fantastic. It comes with a suction base that is very, very secure. It's not going to go anywhere, works beautifully on smooth countertops. It comes with an extra long, easy to use handle. This is a pusher to push the dough down. It also has a very smooth edge here, so when you're ready to cut your pasta from the extruder, then you would use this nifty tool, which is excellent. We have 5 brass dies. Brass dies are exceptional for extruding pasta. The brass allows for an extra layer of texture to be built in to the extruded pasta. Ultimately, that means that the sauce you're serving with your pasta is going to stick and absorb it beautifully. The Torkio comes with a 1-page recipe and instruction guide, and it is made out of a strong metal housing, an aluminum housing, and the auger is a nylon food safe auger. And I'll show you what that looks like. This is what forces the pasta dough through and extrudes it from the machine. And it's very easy to assemble. You have your locking ring right over here. And of course, the Consiglio's Professional Torkio is made in Italy. Let's get to making the pasta dough. Following the recipe guidelines that are included, you're going to need 48 grams of egg or water. You can choose one or the other. Now, if you crack your egg and it's only 40 grams, just top it up with 8 grams of water. And then you're gonna need 100 grams of flour. I have a combination of 00 flour and semolina flour. The suggested flour to use is durum wheat semolina flour. But of course, you can experiment, as outlined within the recipe guidelines, different types of flour. Now keep in mind, for the purpose of my video here, I've doubled the recipe. I have 200 grams of flour and I have 96 grams of egg. I'm gonna go ahead and combine my flours together. I'm gonna make a small well in the middle here, and I'm going to add in my egg wash. I'm gonna slowly start to incorporate. Now, this type of recipe should yield in a grainy type of dough. You're not going to be kneading this dough. It should be grainy because then we're gonna add it into the cone here of the extruder, and then the machine will do the rest of the work for us. The brass die that I have inserted now is called the waves cut. Each brass die is 40 millimeters in diameter and 8 millimeters in depth. We're gonna go ahead and add the pasta dough into the cone of the extruder. Cleaning the Consiglio's Professional Brass Die Extruder is simple. Unassemble the machine. You're going to wash the brass dies, the auger, and the locking ring in hot soapy water. If there's dried on, stuck on pasta, don't worry. You can use the tip of a knife, a brush, or a toothpick to release those little stuck on bits. you'll go ahead, give them a wash, dry them right away. Air drying is not recommended. For the body of the machine, you can use a clean cloth, wipe it dry, and then store it in the box until you want to use it next time. This pasta extruder is exceptional, not only for home cooks, but it can also be used for light professional use. You have a variety of short style pasta, you have your tagliatelle and your spaghetti here as well. We do sell additional brass dies at Consiglioskitchenware.com. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. If you have any questions, we're just an email away. I'll see you next time.